Sometimes we need to add another letter somewhere in the word, like the words with I sound, as in sight or tide. For example, bite, light, right, sight, wide, hide, ride, side. Words with I sound, as in crime or mic, lime, dime, mime, time, bike, like, hike, strike. Words with I sound, as in pile or pine, bile, mile, tile, file, dine, line, nine, wine. Words with I sound, as in sigh or tight, high, nigh, sigh, tie, light, night, right, sight. Words that end in Y, as in fry, by, my, sky, cry, dry, fly, shy, sly. Words with I sound, as in tie, die, lie, pie, tie. I words are made by adding a suffix to words which end in Y. For example, cry, cried, try, tried, fry, fried, spy, spice, fly, flies. Good job, children!